Miss the boat. Understanding a common English idiom. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, miss the boat. This phrase is commonly used in both casual and formal conversations. Understanding idioms like this is key to mastering the nuances of English. So, let's set sail on this linguistic journey. Miss the boat is an idiom that means to lose an opportunity or to miss a chance to do something. It originates from the literal scenario where someone fails to arrive in time for a boat departure, thereby missing their chance to travel. In everyday English, it's used to describe a missed opportunity in various aspects of life, be it career, relationships, or other timely matters. To fully grasp this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. Career opportunity. I didn't apply for the job in time and I really missed the boat. It was a great opportunity. 2. Sales and deals. The store had a huge sale, but I got there too late and missed the boat on the best deals. 3. Personal relationships. I had a chance to apologize to my friend, but I hesitated and missed the boat to make things right. These examples show how the idiom can apply to different scenarios, emphasizing the importance of timing and seizing opportunities. It's important not to confuse miss the boat with literal traveling contexts. This idiom is metaphorical and doesn't refer to actual boats or travel plans. It's all about missed chances and opportunities, not travel mishaps. Here are some tips for using this idiom. Appropriate contexts. Use it in situations where someone has failed to take advantage of an opportunity. Tone of voice. It can be used in both light-hearted and serious contexts, so adapt your tone accordingly. Avoid overuse. While it's a useful idiom, using it too frequently can make your speech sound unnatural. Balance is key. Understanding idioms like miss the boat enriches your English language skills and helps you communicate more effectively. Remember, language learning is an ongoing journey, so keep exploring and embracing new phrases. Happy learning, and don't miss the boat on expanding your English vocabulary.